Today I get to check out the new high output series subwoofer from Savard. Stay tuned. Alright, so I hope you all enjoyed that quick unboxing video. Now I'm going to go ahead and dig in. If you haven't already, give it a like. A like comes a long way, as well as subscribe if you like this kind of content. This is a little different than my normal daily cardio demo videos for a nice subwoofer to show y'all today. Savard high output 15-inch subwoofer. Also comes in a 12 and looks like later in the year they're probably planning on doing another one. So all the information, link in the description. Not going to break down too much on the manual read. Just like to give you all the summary, most some key points that I find valuable. So this is the dual 1 or dual 2 ohm. This is the dual 2. I'll be wiring it up today to my amplifier. Hook it up to my 8,000 watt amp. You'll get to see my system as well. This is rated at 2,000 watts RMS with a frequency response of 18 to 20 hertz. Looks like it's a 3-inch voice coil subwoofer with 0.2 cubic feet of displacement, 300 ounce magnet, and a X-Max of 37 millimeters. Pretty stout X-Max there. You will get to see the subflex later to see some of that. Let's go ahead and look at the bottom of the magnet real quick. The speaker Savard Sound Systems magnet sticker with the stamp on it for quality control measures. Looks like they quality control every subwoofer before they put it out the door to be shipped. Pretty cool to see that Savard does that as well. That way you know you guarantee your subwoofer is going to come without any manufacturing defects and free of problems. So pretty nice stout cone there as well. Going to look at the bottom of the magnet and take off the little surround in a second after I get one more quick shot with my other camera on the other angle. If you have any questions, reach out to Savard Speaker Systems on Facebook or Instagram. Email as well, but their website is the best place to go if you want to know all the manual information. So let's go ahead and take off the covering of the magnet so we can see the 300 ounce triple stack magnet on here. I like to break it down and look into everything possible with it. If there's anything I missed, just reach out to Savard, or in the comments section you can also ask questions. I'm sure we'll be able to help answer that. And check out the manual in the description if you want to see more information for a price point and all details about the subwoofer. And this isn't the only branch that they offer. They also offer multiple other levels from entry, budget, friendly, more around the SPL side. If you're looking at this subwoofer, this one has a higher RMS rating of 2,000. Of course, if you looked at the manual earlier, when I had a quick breakdown from the website, it showed it was between 1,500 and 2,500 watts RMS was a comfortable filling rating that they had for this subwoofer. All right, so that's that. All information, like I mentioned, links in the description. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing installed to my amp now and do a flex test. All right, it's time for me to put some power to it and do a flex test on it. Really looking forward to seeing how much flex it has. It's a brand new subwoofer right off the bat, so I'm not going to torture it too much, but give it some good power at 1 ohm on this 8,000 watt amplifier. Let me get it hooked up now. All right, it's time to get it installed. I'm going to wire it down to 1 ohm on my single 8K amp. This is my system. If anybody doesn't know, I do a lot more videos on it, more on the second channels, JacobViral 2. So if you want to see more on it, check it out. Go ahead and show you inside real quick. I also have the HiQ Savard 18s in here, so 4 of them. Really good quality brand and products. So anyway, let's get back to the Subflex. If you want to see more about my build, check it out on the second channel, JacobViral 2. I just installed the 10 gauge wire going into the speaker. I'm going to check it real quick to make sure that the ohm is right around the 1 ohm mark here before I do a flex test on it. So right at 1.2, so that's dead on. Multimeter's always a little off by a tenth or two, but there you go. Subwoofer's wired down to 1 ohm. Time to put this thing on some music. All right, let me go get the vehicle turned on real quick. All right, let's do some sub action. I'm gonna start with 2 songs. First one will be a 28 hertz tone. So 28 hertz here, if y'all could see it. It's just gonna be a Subsonic Suicide song, 28 hertz. Get y'all some subflex action real quick. Any noise you hear is the table. Really big X-Max. Subwoofer's brand new as well, so let me change the angle real quick. I also got my other camera here. Make sure that I get multiple angles for this video. I'm gonna play 20 hertz now. And I'm not turning this subwoofer amp all the way up. I've got about 5 clicks from full volume, but this subwoofer is probably seeing between 2 and 2500 watts RMS when I get it up to where it's almost the X-Max on here. So this is 20 hertz now. 20 hertz you can see there. Subsonic Suicide, here we go. Table's moving a little bit, but I got to see some subflex action there. What you're hearing is the table rattle and not the actual speaker. All right, so that's it. I hope you all enjoyed that. I got to do an action camera here as well as the one I'm using for you to be able to see 2 angles of the X-Max on this subwoofer. Really nice, high output, 15-inch subwoofer. Hope you all enjoyed that today. I wish I could put it in a subwoofer box, but I don't have a subwoofer box or vehicle to actually test it in, but I'm able to see the subflex action. If you want to see more about this subwoofer from Savard, high output, or any other subwoofer they offer and other speakers, check out the links in the description. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe if you haven't. I hope you all enjoyed that. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.